This is Ivan Luz, and today I'm coming here to show you another quick tip about Python. So in this example we're going to talk about comparison operators, and to better illustrate this, you can see that we have two baskets with fruits here. So you can imagine that the first basket belongs to Mary while the second basket belongs to John. And in this case, we are going to start comparing both baskets to see if they are equal. So we can print here and say basket 1 equals basket 2. And in this case, we are going to see the results false, right? Because the contents are different. You can see that in the first one we get an apple, a banana, and an orange. And the second one have a lemon, a banana, and orange. So apple and lemon differ here. So let's say that again. Let's just put a comment here. So first one is from Mary, second one is from John, and then let's say that somebody exchanged here the lemon by an apple. And now if you compare, you can see that they are true. Now imagine a situation where Mary and John go for a walk, and when they come back, they want to get their own basket, but when they look at it, they look the same, right? So they don't have a way to identify that. But also imagine that for any reason here that each basket had some type of fingerprinting that would allow them to identify who is the owner of each basket. So in Python, to do the comparison, like to check if they are the same, let's say that we had here a basket 3 that belongs to somewhere else, and someone says that basket 3 is kind of a clone of basket 1. So now if you compare basket 1 with basket 3, you see that they are the same because they are kind of a clone of each other. If you compare basket 1 with basket 2, they are also the same. And finally, if you compare basket 2 with basket 3, they are still the same. So still we don't have a way to know who is the owner of each basket. And even worse, now we have a third one that is a clone of the first one. So in Python, we have this identity comparator, which is called is. So let's say that here we do a comparison to check if basket 1 is basket 2. And then in this case, we are getting a false because, as you can see, we have different objects being created. So we have variables that are being assigned to a new list in each case. But if you compare basket 1 with basket 3, and remember that this was kind of cloned, and they have the same identity here. So if you compare basket 1 and basket 3, you should get it true because the variables are just pointers to the same object in the end, right? So just to recap, if you want to check if the contents are the same, you can use the equal operator. So if you try here, basket 1 equals basket 2, we'll get a true because the contents are the same. While if you test here if basket 1 is basket 2, you should get a false because they are, although the contents are the same, the variables point to different locations in memory, so their identities are not the same, right? So here, first one we got a true, second one we got a false. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned something new today. Thanks for watching.